Nidagravel makes a difference. Nidagravel trays are extruded polypropylene trays with a honeycomb structure backed by a permeable geotextile. This permeable geotextile ensures that the gravel is unable to sink under the tray and so prevents the tray from being pushed up. The strictest of standards are applied to the production of Nidagravel, which also satisfies the relevant ISO standards. In order to guarantee constant quality, the properties of these Nidagravel trays are regularly tested in the lab. The base is responsible for distributing the load-bearing capacity, and its thickness depends on the expected load. It is preferable to use coarse, loose materials for the base in order to obtain the best possible permeable surface. Perforation of the geotextile by any sharp points on the coarse base material should be avoided. A leveling layer of fine gravel should therefore be laid on top of the base layer. The border stones ensure that the gravel does not migrate and end up next to the surface. They also protect the Nidagravel trays from any moving loads driving onto them. Ensure that the border protrudes no more than 2 cm above the Nidagravel tray. The flexible Nidagravel tray, which has a large surface area of almost 3 square meters, is very quick to install. The trays are placed side by side. The geotextile protrudes along 2 sides of the Nidagravel tray, and this is laid under the adjacent tray. Because of the tray's flexibility and its high weight once filled, no mechanical securing is required, not even on slopes of up to 25%. Nidagravel is easy to cut using an angle grinder or jigsaw. As a result, both curved and straight shapes are possible. In order to avoid damage to the Nidagravel trays, no moving loads may be permitted on them as long as they are not filled with gravel. After filling, the Nidagravel trays can resist a pressure of up to 250 tons per square meter. Because the gravel naturally compacts within a few days of laying, it is advisable to fill up with gravel to 2 centimeters above the trays so that eventually there will be 1 centimeter left. All kinds of borders are possible, such as concrete paving blocks, aluminium sections, or concrete border stones. Always use gravel made from hard rock so that it's not crushed over time. Harder types of gravel are also less likely to turn green. Nidagravel, 100% permeable, stable and colour-fast, is an ideal, suitable alternative for non-permeable concrete or asphalt products. Nidagravel is the perfect invisible solution for a stable surface that is easy to walk and drive over without rutting occurring. Nidagravel has been specially developed for stabilizing gravel or shingle surfaces. Once filled, the surface has a compressive strength of up to 250 tons per square meter. Because it's a natural product, gravel can be perfectly integrated in any project. Nidagravel is invisible and lets the gravel steal the show. Because Nidagravel is 100% permeable, its use is environmentally friendly. The rain drains straight into the soil so that no puddles form. Nidagravel is very easy and quick to install. Nidagravel, the invisible solution for a stable gravel surface.